what's up y'all? It's your girl Sana Amara and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing video. It's for a pair of sneakers that I've been wanting for a little while. So let me just give you like a backstory. So I really wanted the Comme des Garçons Nike Shox collab, but I didn't know, I wasn't paying attention to see like when they actually dropped. Like I didn't pay attention to the drop date, so I missed out on them. And StockX is like taxing out of the ass for those shoes. Like I think they want like either $600+ for those shoes when they were only $300. So it's like, y'all trying to double up your money. Nah, bruh, I'm not about to do that. I'm not paying. You can get actual luxury shoes for $600. I'm not paying for just Nike shoes with, I mean, granted, Comme des Garçons is like a luxury type brand. Or are they more, I feel like they're more like a contemporary, like modern brand, but they have a high price point. But like, I can get high-end shoes for $600. I don't want to spend $600 on Nikes when I know they didn't even cost that much. It's kind of why I don't really like resellers to begin with, but that's like a whole nother story. Anyways, let's get back on track. So yeah, I got these shoes. They're Shox. So the whole reason why I got these shoes is because they kind of look like the Comme des Garçons Nikes. So let's dig into this box so y'all can see what Shox I got. Give this a thumbs up if you used to wear Shox when you were younger. I used to wear these all the time in like elementary school. But yeah, give this a thumbs up if you used to rock Nike Shox. And also give it a thumbs up if you wear Shox now, because they definitely made a comeback. So let's dig into this box. So I got these from Foot Locker. So I got them in a 9.5 and they were $150. So this is the box that it comes in, you know, your typical Nike box. Nothing special. And these are the Shox. So these are the Nike Shox, I think TL Nova? Yeah, these are the Nike Shox TL Novas. They gave me the Comme des Garçons vibes, like just with how it's structured, like how they have the Shox placed, and also like the mesh detailing. I'll put up a picture of the Comme des Garçons. I mean, it's not exactly like them, but I feel like it comes pretty close. There's another pair of Nike Shox that kind of look like the Comme des Garçons as well. I'll have to get the name of them. Like I'll either put it here or here, but people wear those as well. But I think these are a little bit newer, so I just wanted to hop on these. But yeah. I like how it kind of gives me like a reworked vibe, which is also what the Comme des Garçons sneakers had. Like how the leather is kind of like all layered and different, like it's layered on top of each other. It kind of gives me like a reworked vibe, which is why I liked them. I think I need a new pair of white sneakers, so these are perfect. And I already know that Nike Shox are comfortable. Like I said, I used to wear them all the time when I was younger, so yeah, that's what made me pick them. Oh, and I like the gum sole. It's actually not gum, but it's more of a translucent sole. So I like that. That's really nice. because I'm not actually a big fan of gum soles. If you watch my my Yeezy fail video, I'll link it in the description. I'll tell you about my gum sole dislike. Yeah, it's a mix of leather and mesh detailing on the outside, and then rubber sole, as well as the Nike Shox. The inside of the shoe is like a minty blue color, as well as the back detailing on the shoe is like a minty blue. But it's like so light that you wouldn't even be able to tell if you were like far away. Like, it's so light of a blue, it kind of looks like it could be white. But yeah, I will go ahead and try these on so you guys can see how they look on me. But yeah, like I said, I'm definitely due for a new pair of white sneakers. I have my Huaraches. I have a white pair of Huaraches, and also I have some Roshis that are white, but they're white and black, so it doesn't really count. But like my Huaraches, they're solid white, and they're dirty as hell. They need to either be washed, or these bad boys are just gonna replace them. But yeah, let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see how they look on me. So this is how the shoes look on. They're super comfortable. But that does not come as a surprise to me, because Shox are inherently comfortable to begin with. They feel less shockier than I remember. I felt like mine were like super bouncy, but they are still comfortable. So another reason why I bought these, because not only do they look like the Comme des Garçons Shox, but I also bought a nameplate shoe that's kind of similar to the Comme des Garçons that I'm gonna put on the front of these, just to give it its own little Sana Amira flair. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm actually doing a haul with the company that I purchased them from. So check out the link in the info bar. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at Honest Mira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.